Have you ever walked into your own home and immediately felt more tired? That's not laziness. That's your cortisol spiking. Researchers actually found that a cluttered home raises your stress hormones, the same ones your body releases when you're in danger. Your stuff is literally keeping your nervous system on alert. Today, we're going deeper than organizing tips. We're talking about the emotional weight of clutter, why it's so hard to let go, the guilt that keeps us stuck, and the one question that makes it all click. I'm Marcia, and this might be the most important decluttering conversation you have all year. We're not talking about selling platforms or listing tips today. We're going to talk about the emotional side of clutter, because I think this is the piece that most people need to hear before anything else. Here's something I've noticed, and maybe you felt it too. Clutter is quiet. It doesn't yell at you, but it creates a kind of low-level background noise in your mind, a subtle ongoing awareness that something is unfinished, that there's too much, that you should do something about it. Over time, that quiet noise creates real stress. Researchers have actually studied this. A cluttered home can elevate cortisol levels. That's the stress hormone, particularly in women. Visual chaos signals our brains that there are unfinished tasks, and that keeps our minds in a state of mild tension even when we're trying to relax. Have you ever felt tired just looking at a messy room? That's not in your head, that's biology. But here's what I find truly beautiful about this whole process. The relief comes faster than people expect. You don't have to finish the whole house. You don't have to have a perfect system. You just have to start. One drawer cleared can genuinely change how you feel in that room. One corner of a closet dealt with can make you take a deeper breath. I've heard it described so many ways by women who've been through this. I didn't realize how much that stuff was weighing me down. I feel like I can breathe in here now. I got a piece of myself back. And I want to address something else, the guilt. Because a lot of us hold on to things not because we love them, but because we feel guilty letting them go. The gift from someone you love, the hobby supplies from a phase you went through, the children's things your kids have long outgrown, the clothes from a size you used to be. Keeping those things doesn't honor the memories. The memory lives in you, not in the object. And releasing an item doesn't mean the chapter didn't matter. It just means you're making room for the chapter you're in now. There's a question I love to use when I'm standing in front of something I'm not sure about. Does this item support the life I'm living right now? Not the life I had 10 years ago, not the life I always planned to have, the life I'm actually living today. That question cuts through so much confusion, because when you hold something up and ask that honestly, a lot of questions become clear pretty quickly. Now, I also want to say this. You don't have to let go of everything. This isn't about minimalism for its own sake. It's about creating a home that feels like a sanctuary, calm, manageable, and truly yours. That looks different for everyone. The goal isn't an empty house. The goal is a house that feels good to be in. If you're ready to start that process, even just a little, I created a free guide that takes the guesswork out of where to begin. It lists 50 items commonly found in homes that you can actually sell for cash. So the process of letting go also brings back something to you. The link is in the description. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Is there a specific area of your home that's been weighing on you? You're not alone in this. Download the free guide, 50 items hiding in your home that you can sell for cash today, in the description below. And if this video resonated with you, please share it with a friend who might need to hear it.